I wasn't sure at first. Should I get an adjustable desk or just a regular one? In the end, I picked this. It's affordable and honestly, it does exactly what I need. Setting it up was a bit of a ride though. At one point, the wooden panel slipped and fell right on my foot. Not fun, but that's DIY life. Once it's finally ready, I was so happy with how solid it looked. Then I added this with my mat, which I found on Temu, and it instantly made the setup feel complete. Oh, this keyboard and the mouse. I got these from Amazon, especially for this UK pound symbol. You hardly ever see that on Temu. And this one got more than 100,000 reviews. Definitely no regrets at all. With just a desk, mat and the keyboard, the whole space looked bigger and more organized. That's it, nothing fancy, just simple and budget-friendly picks that really upgrade my workspace.